everybody, welcome back to my channel, and you guys know what? It is time for a small haul from Pick and Save, aka Kroger. Now, I wish these deals were the best, but they're not, but they are still good prices if you guys have coupons and you want to use them up. So I kind of figured out what was on sale at my local Pick and Save. Now, Pick and Save is in the Midwest, in the Wisconsin area. They have other affiliate stores, but if you guys are not sure if your store is affiliate, just go to the Kroger website, put your zip code in, and it'll tell you the closest affiliated store. The only thing is when they have like the mega sales for Kroger, my stores don't always have the same deals. Either they're not on sale or they're a different price. But I like to share with you guys anyways on what I got. Now I didn't go super crazy like I did last time, but I ended up getting some stuff that I thought was a pretty good deal. I wouldn't say it's a great price, but you guys can get the stuff to help people. I'm always trying to help, people, and I think some people really enjoy these. So I ended up getting the Downy fabric detergent, or fabric conditioner. Now, as far as I know, Kroger has a policy for coupons that you can use 5 of the same coupons per transaction. So I ended up using 5, even though it says you can use only 2. I ended up using 5 because that's what their policy says, and I've seen many people do it. But the Downy fabric conditioner was $4.49. Now, they have a deal. If you spend 5, you get $1 off for every item. So it's spend 5, get 5 off. So these came out to be $3.49. Now, we do have those $2 off coupons. I looked at the $3 off one. It had to be a larger load than this one, so it was a 72. This is a 60 load. So I ended up using that $2 off coupon that we got from the July P&G. You guys would just get this for $1.49. And so I ended up getting 5 of them because I had 5 of those coupons on me. And I thought $1.49 for these are a pretty decent deal. This is something I really don't get coupons for, so I'm like, I like to stock up on Downy, and I'm actually a big fan of Downy fabric softener. So I ended up getting 5 of those because why not? So I got 5 of them, and my bag ripped. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. And then I didn't really like search wherever. I was in a hurry. We were on a play date, and I'm like, can I just run into the grocery store real quick and get some stuff? My kid was driving me nuts. We were at the zoo earlier today, and yeah. So I ended up getting a lot of feminine products. My bag ripped open, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up getting the Kotex Fitness. Now, the prices weren't as cheap as last time, which is okay, but these were $3.99. Spend 5 get 5, spend whatever. So these came out to be $2.99. We do have those 3 off of 2 coupons that we got from the 6-7 Smart Source. I'm not going to do breakdowns for you guys. I do have pictures that I took to show you guys the coupons. But you guys would end up getting use that 3 off of 2. You guys would get these for $1.49. Now, I'm not saying that's the greatest deal, but I think it's a lot better than a deal than your average person. I mean, before I really started couponing, I'm like, why the heck did I pay full price for this when you can get it for a fraction of the price? So I think, $1.49 is for this stuff is a pretty good deal. And a lot of girls, especially younger girls, like getting this kind of stuff. So I ended up getting the Kotex Fitness. I think I got 4 of those. I ended up getting the Always Radiant pads. These were also $3.99, comes out to $2.99. Use that 3 off of 2 coupon that is in the July P&G. You guys would just get these for $1.49 a piece. And I don't use Always. I like the Tampax brand. But I'm so excited because I'm finally getting stuff that I rarely ever get in my stockpile. I mean, I have Kotex in my stockpile like there's no tomorrow. But I never get Always, or I never get Tampax brand. Like, I do, but it's not very common. So I was pretty excited to get this stuff in my stockpile, to use. So I ended up getting those. I got the Radiant ones, and then the other ones I got were the Infinity. I don't really know the difference because I don't use these, but I got them anyways, because I plan on giving these away. So I thought some people need them, go for it. So I don't have any space for all this stuff. My husband usually has a box for me to throw everything in, but he ended up, I filled it, he hasn't emptied it. I also got the regular Tampax, I got the pocket. Ugh. Where the heck is the other one? It's in here somewhere. I ended up getting the pocket pearls. Again, these were pretty much all these were $1.49, but I like to get a variety. So these were the pocket pearls. Again, $2.99 after the spend 5 get 5. Use that 3 off of 2 coupon from the July P&G. These come out to be $1.49, which I honestly think for Tampax, I think it's a pretty good deal. Not sure if it's a stock up deal, but I think it's a pretty good deal. Now, please keep in mind that the Tampax, I think the Tampax, I got my coupons right here. The Tampax coupons, I don't know if those end on... now this sale usually goes for 2 weeks, so if you guys are doing that, the Kotex ends July 21st. So you guys have another week with that. And the... what the heck? Okay, the Always and the Tampax go for another month, so we're good on that. The only ones that expire... what? There was one that expired. Maybe it's the Downy. I don't remember. So I ended up getting the regular Tampax pearls. I ended up getting, 6 of these? Yeah, I got 6 of the regular Tampax pearls just because, you know, these are stuff that I actually like using. So I wanted to stock up on for myself and, you know, just in case there's other people that really need that stuff. So, and I'm going to try to cut out more coupons, and I'll probably go back and get more of these because I think for $1.49 that's a pretty good price. And then I also got just the regular Kotex used. These, when I had my rummage sale a couple months ago, and I'm thinking of having another one. And don't hate me for having a rummage sale. I don't like overcharge people. I have it pretty cheap. I mean, I'm still helping a ton of people out by the prices that I had. So it's like a lot of this stuff I coupon to get a bunch of it, but I'm also couponing to get my, you know, to get my money back that I pay for coupons so I can help more people. So it's not just me, like, you know, hoarding all this stuff. I do it, you know, to help people, but a lot of my, like, name brand stuff, like my Kotex, I had these, I think, for $3 at my rummage sale, and they were out like that. My Kotex stuff, like the whatever, the pads and stuff, those didn't sell very much, but these things sold like crazy. So I'm like, you know, I'm still helping people out. They're still getting a great deal, and it's a whole lot cheaper than if you go to the store. So for $1.49, that was that. So I have my receipt in my hands. It was a long receipt. I don't know if she screwed up on something. I have to, like, look. She, like, double scanned everything. Yeah, she double scanned everything. Something she screwed up on. So I'd have to double check and make sure everything is fine. But I ended up buying also a gallon of milk. So I ended up paying $51.91 for everything. I'm not saying that's a great deal, but I'm here, you know, to get stuff for myself and help other people. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do. You know, I can't go wrong. I like helping people, you know, and feminine products, a lot of people have a hard time with feminine products. I'm always helping out people who I know need this stuff. I mean, that's like the #1 thing you should donate to shelters is this stuff, because the crap they usually have there is like cardboard. So I like helping out as many people as I can. What you doing, honey? Candy. No candy. So I hope you guys enjoyed my small Kroger haul / pick and save haul. There wasn't a lot of great deals. There's probably more that I could shop for. I know cereal's like $1.79 if you guys can get coupons for that. But I just didn't really look. I may or may not do another haul. I just wanted to get some of those deals done before those coupons ended. I swear the Downy ones expire soon. Let me see. I thought the Downy ones do. No, they don't. Well, some of them's expired soon, so I don't know what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys all later. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.